Oh, that's Albert. Hello, Albert. Good afternoon.
Oh, hi Feras, good afternoon.
Can you give me some good anime suggestion? I'm confused about what anime I watch.
Try watching One Piece anime. It's so fun, you know?
Nah, I don't like it. There are many of episodes, and I don't like it because I prefer what anime is only has 12 episodes and has many of season.
How about One Punch Man?
One Punch Man. I've already watched it. That anime is telling about a bald guy who become a superhero because of his hobby, right?
Yes.
Can you give me some advice on other world genre? Yeah.
Then try new anime isekai. This name anime campfire cooking in another world in my absurd skill.
Oh, that sounds good. Okay, that will be on my wish list, and I will watch tonight. By the way, where did you watch it?
I'm just looking YouTube News Indonesia. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you, Albert. Goodbye.
Thank you, Feroz. Bye.